Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding and Resolving Type Errors in Python. Introduction. Type errors are common issues that Python developers encounter when working with variables and functions. These errors occur when you attempt to perform operations on objects of incompatible types. In this tutorial, we will explore what type errors are, why they occur, and how to resolve them with code examples. Common scenarios leading to type errors include: Example 1, arithmetic operations with incompatible types. Example 2, mixing numeric types. Example 3, incompatible method calls. A-type conversion, casting. You can convert data types explicitly to make them compatible. Python provides built-in functions for type conversion. B. Check types before operations. Use conditional statements to check the types before performing operations to avoid type errors. C. Use type annotations, Python 3.5+. In Python 3.5 and later, you can use type hints and type annotations to make your code more explicit about expected types. Conclusion. Type errors are common but manageable issues in Python programming. Understanding why they occur and how to handle them is crucial for writing robust and error-free Python code. By using type conversion, type checking, and type annotations, you can prevent and resolve type errors efficiently in your Python projects. ChatGPT.